Hey guys, this is Josh with JC Landscaping. So back at this property this week. It's a bi-weekly. A couple weeks ago I went to edge it and my straight blade edger blew a fuel line, so I had to replace that. So I trimmed it out with the weed eater last week and edged it with the weed eater. So this week I promised a couple comments that I would use a straight blade on it because these edges turn out perfect with straight blades. So let's get at it. Alright, let's clean this off and see how good it looks. Alright guys, here is the finished product. Not too bad edges considering it's rained for the last 2 days. But I promised you crispy edges on this property. And here they are. So, that's it guys. If you can, like, subscribe, share the channel, hit that notification bell so you get alerts when new videos drop. As always, you guys be safe out there. Peace. Alright guys, well here is the finished product. About a couple hours later, I had to come back this way to head back home. So now you can see it's not as wet and nasty as it was this morning. So anyway, that's it. Give you a quick update on it, guys. Peace.